We are staying at Disney's Beach Club in the DVC villas. Thanks to Slither Away Adventures in there, David and Molly, who are unpacking. But I wanted to show real quick because we just got here and we are headed out to the pew, as David and Tyler says. But come in, you have the bathroom. Got this big old shower here. Have a vanity. It's a pretty large bathroom here. Got the safe right here on the wall. We do have microwave and some cabinets here, coffee maker, and refrigerator. Tyler's ready to go to the poo.
We're going to the poo.
They do have the queen, I guess that's a queen bed here.
I'm trying to figure out.
And, oh, let me show this. They have this little armoire here with your, to keep your belongings in. And some drawers here for storage. But this is a trundle bed. So you have to push these buttons here on both sides. You have to push them pretty hard too. Actually, this room would sleep 5 if you really wanted to. Got the couch there, but of course they've got the wall bed, the pull-out wall bed. So I like these much better. I was happy when Molly sent saying that this bed was in here that Tyler and I will use, because it's much better than those little, like the sofa bed.
Yeah, the rail in the back.
So, so glad that they have those, but you can put it up, have your couch here. And let's take a look out here really quick before we go to the pew at the patio. So we are on the first floor. Again, this was room 125. And it is so super peaceful out here. Can't wait to check it out in the morning. I will be sure to show you around the rest of the resort. Haven't had much time today to show around the resort. Had the room video last night, but we're out here in the little lazy river area. This pool area is awesome. Tyler's gonna go over there in just a little bit and go down that slide, aren't you?
Yep.
Getting the pool over there. Oh, we gotta try the sand bottom one. The Beaches and Cream that you hear people talk about all the time is about right over there.
What was it that you asked?
One of the restaurants in the resort is Cape May. We are eating there tonight. We eat here a lot at Cape May. That's why usually we come to visit and check out the gingerbread carousel and stuff during the holidays. But we're staying this time. So I don't know how much time I'll really have to take a walk around the resort, but figured I'd show a little bit of the pool area here. Over there is where Tyler's going to go try this water slide here in a few minutes. We have the Hurricane Hannah's there, which is the pool bar, apparently. Out there you can take a walk around where this leads to the boardwalk and the Swan and Dolphin. We're going to do that in a little bit on our little Christmas tour where we're checking out the holiday stuff. So yeah, Tyler has gone over there to go check out the water slide, which should come out right over here in this pool. But this is a massive pool out here. It's huge, several hot tubs, all that good stuff. This is one of the pools that has the sandy bottom too. So it's pretty cool. See if I can get over here by the time Tyler comes down this water slide. Well, there he was. I caught him just at the end.
Ow. Ow.
Did you get beat up?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah, fun.
It was? Is it long?
Yeah. It's pretty long.
It's pretty long, ain't it?
Pretty, ow.
Pretty ow. So since I don't have a whole lot of time to do a lot of tour around the resort. Just wanted to show from over here. There's where you would get on the water slide. They do have boats to EPCOT and to Hollywood Studios. So over there is a boardwalk straight across. And you can also get to the Skyliner walking around the circle there. So this resort is definitely very, very convenient to both Hollywood Studios and EPCOT. We were going to walk over to Boardwalk, but let me say, the good thing about Beach Club and the Yacht Club is you got this whole covered walkway to get between the two. So once you get right there, you're getting into Yacht Club, because right there is the Yachtsman Steakhouse, and Ellen Compass is right around the corner. And there's some people still out there swimming in the rain because it's not storming, it's just raining very hard. Don't forget the fitness center if you need to do some working out while you're here as well. Walking by there is the arcade or game room. And as I showed earlier from the pool, this is the Beaches and Cream. As you can tell, very popular restaurant here at Beach Club. Or you can get ice cream to go like we did last night. And we are back into the Beach Club lobby. Got the Martha's Vineyard lounge here. And we're actually going over to Cape May to check and see. We moved our reservations till later so that we could walk to the boardwalk, but now I think we're just going to try to see if they still got something earlier so we can go ahead and eat. And Cape May Cafe is where we're eating tonight, which we've eaten here many times and always enjoy it. Let me mention real quick about Tyler's new shirt.
This shirt is haunted.
Just a brief. Yeah, check out his new shirt though that he found today. I mean, just look at it. It's pretty cool. And we made it back in our lobby here. They could not take us to eat any earlier, or take us in to eat any earlier, because of course it's raining, so I think everybody's run in to eat. And as you can tell, it's pretty crowded out here right now, because everybody, of course, has to come look at the carousel. And this is something that we've always done, even if we weren't staying here. This is their 25th year of doing the carousel, gingerbread carousel. It's always something many people had to come see. They don't have a huge Christmas tree in this lobby because they do the carousel. So they just have some smaller trees like this right here. We're fixing to eat this evening at Cape May Cafe, which we've been here bunches of times. We'll mention that they do have a breakfast here, and it is a character breakfast with Minnie and some friends. But we always come for dinner, for the Seafood and More dinner buffet. So it's like a New England clam bake. There's your prices if you weren't on the dining plan. I went up there and got my first plate, and I'll share what's on the buffet here before too long. I'll go up there and show it, but I got fried scallops, some pasta, fried shrimp, peel and eat shrimp, some clams, potatoes, and that might have been it. Oh, some rice stuff that they had up there. Some of the stuff we had tonight, the scallops were really good. Calamari there. The roasted salmon was really good. Fried shrimp. Got plenty of salad stuff up here. Fresh fruit. Peel and eat shrimp is always a top for us. Well, the mashed potatoes are empty once again, but let me add that those mashed potatoes are probably some of the best mashed potatoes that we've had anywhere. Looks like someone's emptied the ribs as well. Got some steamed mussels, steamed clams, steamed shrimp. Somebody's worked on the desserts as well. I had that stuff and that was really good. Molly said the peppermint cupcake and everything was really good. And even the desserts on this side have been kind of cleaned out as well. We had some brownies, some snickerdoodle cheesecake. They had some maple cherry donuts, which Molly said was really good. And like I said, a lot of the stuff has been cleaned out. But I have to remember that we are here kind of late this evening eating. And they got pretty busy in here, so I had to mention it was kind of hard for them to keep up on the buffet. There were some things that were empty quite often when we came up here. But look, they have put some new ribs out now. But that's it. It's always really good. Oh, wait. I didn't show the carving station back here with the turkey and meatballs, pasta, pizza, chicken, and macaroni and cheese.